Changing your primary currency on Wise isn't a single button click, but rather a way of managing how your money is displayed and spent. We're starting on the Wise desktop site, so go to wise.com and sign in to your account. Make sure you are viewing your main personal account dashboard and not a mobile-only view. The first thing you need to do is click on Balances, though on some updated layouts, this might be labeled as Accounts. This is where you see all your different pots of money. If the currency you want to use as your main one isn't there yet, click on Add a Currency. You will see a list of options like EUR, USD, or CZK. Select the one you want, and it will appear on your dashboard. Now, to effectively make this your primary balance, you need to move money into it. Select the currency you are currently holding funds in and click on Convert or Move. Enter the amount you want to transfer, choose your new target currency, and review the fee. Once you confirm, that balance becomes your active fund. The important thing to understand is that Wise treats the balance you keep topped up and use most frequently as your effective main currency. If you have a Wise debit card, you should also go into your card settings and ensure this currency is set for your spending. However, there is a catch you need to know about. Wise always displays your total account value in the local currency of your registered address. This is a fixed setting that usually cannot be changed directly through the dashboard. Now that goes both ways. While you can manage your spending in any currency, your bird's-eye view of your net worth stays tied to your home country. Some users try to change their total display currency by updating their address in the Profile and Details section, but you should be careful with this. Changing your country of residence can trigger new KYC verification requirements and might not be allowed depending on where you actually live. In my case, I prefer to keep my legal address accurate and simply focus on which specific balance I keep the most money in for daily transactions. If you keep your preferred currency at the top of your list and use it for your card payments, it functions as your primary account for all practical purposes. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.